What happens if you eat broccoli every day? Are you a fan of eating broccoli? Cruciferous vegetables, particularly broccoli, tend to have a love-hate relationship with most people. However, after watching this video, your perspective on this green veggie might change. Broccoli is packed with numerous benefits, and in today's video, we will be exploring what happens to your body when you consume broccoli daily. Broccoli is abundant in nutrients and antioxidants, but can it help you achieve younger-looking skin? How about your oral health? Can it improve that as well? And lastly, can it enhance your heart health? Let's find out. 1. You will get lots of antioxidants. Broccoli contains important antioxidants that play a crucial role in maintaining your overall health by fighting off harmful free radicals in your body. Excess free radicals can lead to various illnesses by causing damage to your cells. Sulforaphane is a compound found in broccoli that converts into a highly effective antioxidant. Numerous studies have demonstrated that sulforaphane can provide several health benefits such as reducing blood sugar and cholesterol levels, as well as lowering the risk of oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can cause chronic illnesses, health problems, and premature aging. To reap the maximum benefits of broccoli, steaming is the best cooking method. Boiling or microwaving can lead to a loss of nutrients. You can also eat broccoli raw or prepare it as a delicious broccoli soup. 2. Your heart will become healthier. When the levels of LDL cholesterol and triglycerides in your body exceed the healthy limit, it can have adverse effects on your heart. LDL cholesterol is commonly known as bad cholesterol. Fortunately, broccoli can help reduce both LDL and triglyceride levels. In a study, participants who were given broccoli sprout supplements experienced a significant decrease in both LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. Additionally, their HDL, or good cholesterol, levels increased. Broccoli is also a good source of fiber, which is known to lower the risk of heart disease. The antioxidants in broccoli have been found to decrease the chances of heart attack as well. 3. You will stay young for longer. As much as we want to stay youthful, aging is inevitable due to oxidative stress and decreased metabolism. But, did you know that your diet can play a role in slowing down the aging process? Broccoli contains sulforaphane, which can boost the effectiveness of antioxidants in your body, reducing the effects of oxidative stress. 4. You will get loads of nutrients. Broccoli is a nutrient-dense vegetable, rich in vitamins and minerals, and a great source of fiber. A single cup of raw broccoli, weighing approximately 91 grams, provides more than the daily recommended amount of vitamins C and K. In addition, this serving size contains 6 grams of carbohydrates, 3 grams of protein, 3 grams of fiber, and only 1 gram of fat. Broccoli is also a good source of other essential nutrients such as folate, potassium, phosphate, and selenium. 5. You will be protected against cancer. Bioactive compounds in vegetables such as broccoli can help reduce the damage caused by chronic diseases such as cancer, which works by damaging your cells. Studies indicate that consuming broccoli can protect against several types of cancers including breast, prostate, stomach, colorectal, kidney, and bladder cancer, making it an even more compelling reason to include this cruciferous veggie in your diet. 6. Your blood sugar will lower. Regularly consuming broccoli has an additional benefit of regulating your blood sugar levels, which is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Although the exact reason is still unknown, the high levels of antioxidants in broccoli could be a contributing factor. According to a study, participants with type 2 diabetes who consumed broccoli sprouts daily for a month experienced a considerable decrease in insulin resistance. Additionally, the fiber present in broccoli has been found to lower blood sugar levels and manage diabetes. 7. Inflammation in your body will be reduced. Broccoli contains several bioactive compounds that are effective in reducing inflammation in the body. These compounds can work independently or in conjunction with each other to achieve this goal. The anti-inflammatory properties of these compounds are responsible for their effectiveness. In one study involving smokers, participants who consumed broccoli experienced a decrease in inflammation markers. However, it should be noted that eating broccoli alone cannot reverse the harmful effects of smoking. 8. Your skin will be safe from sun damage. As the ozone layer continues to deplete, we are increasingly exposed to harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun, leading to a rise in skin cancer cases. However, incorporating broccoli into your diet can act as a defense against the effects of increased exposure. Broccoli contains bioactive compounds that offer protection against ultraviolet rays. Studies have demonstrated that taking broccoli extract can reduce tumor growth caused by UV radiation, and there have been a few human studies that investigated the effects of broccoli against skin cancer. In summary, broccoli extract is a powerful form of protection against skin damage caused by the sun. 9. You will have healthy bones and joints. Broccoli is known to benefit your bone and joint health. Its nutrients can strengthen your bones and lower the risk of bone-related disorders. Broccoli is particularly rich in calcium and vitamin K, which are essential for maintaining healthy bones. Additionally, it contains phosphorus, zinc, and vitamins A and C, all of which contribute to bone health. Moreover, sulforaphane in broccoli has been shown to reduce the risk of osteoarthritis in a test tube study. Therefore, adding broccoli to your regular diet can help prevent bone-related conditions in the future. 10. You will experience a healthy pregnancy. During pregnancy, it's essential to consume a healthy diet not just for yourself, but also for your baby. Broccoli is a great addition to your diet as it contains essential B vitamins, especially vitamin B9, commonly known as folate. Consuming the recommended amount of folate can promote the proper development of your baby's brain and spine. Studies have suggested that consuming broccoli during pregnancy can aid in the healthy development of your newborn's brain. 11. You will have better dental and oral health. Consuming broccoli on a regular basis can also benefit your dental health. The calcium and vitamin C found in broccoli may reduce your likelihood of developing periodontal disease. Additionally, the flavonoids in broccoli have been shown to prevent periodontitis. The sulforaphane in broccoli may also decrease your risk of developing oral cancer. Studies suggest that eating raw broccoli may even remove plaque from your teeth and improve the appearance of your smile. In summary, eating broccoli every day can have a positive impact on your overall health. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.